Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss one important interview question, that is, from array display the second highest and second lowest number. So let's start that. So in my IntelliJ, let's create one class called second high and low check. Okay, let's create main method. There is one integer array, int array. So that array contains values like 2, let's say 2, 8, 11, 4, 8, 7, let's say 3. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to display the second highest and second lowest number from the array. Let's do that. How exactly I will do? So first I need to sort the array. Let's sort the array. So I'll use arrays dot sort. So arrays in arrays class, there is a sort method. Arrays dot java dot util package. There is a sort method in array which will sort the array. So let's use that arrays dot sort. So what basically it will do, I'll pass the array name and it will sort the array. Let's display that. I will write down sys basically what I will do now, I will just create a for loop. Let's create a for each loop. So int now I will put ARR. Basically all the elements one by one it will store in now. Let's print this. Sys out. Then I will write down num. Basically what I will do, let's print it, and after printing what I will do, I'll put some space so that it will display in proper manner. Okay, so let's run this. So basically it will display the array in sorted order. Okay, it's running. Okay, so array got sorted in array got sorted. Okay, so now I am going to write down CISO second highest number will be which one? From array, which one is the second highest? So if you will see from here 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 8, 11. So there are 2 8s. So there is a duplicate, that should be fine. So in this case, what I will do? Second highest. So second highest will be 8. Highest is 11. Second highest is 8. So what I'll do, I'll write down the index position should be, this one will be length minus 1, this one would be length minus 2. So array of basically what I'll do before that, I'll write down basically I'll store the length in an integer variable, and length equal to arr dot length. So basically the length will store the array length. So what I'll do, I'll just write down length minus 2. So it will, the highest number, if I want the highest number will be length minus 1, but the second highest it requires, so it will be length minus 2. Similarly, for let's say I want second lowest. So second lowest, can you tell me what it will be? Second lowest number, what it will be? So if you see, okay, if you see the array, the lowest will be in the first position, index 0, and the second lowest means it will be index 1. So there are 1. Let's print it. So my question, my answer will be 8 and 3. Okay. So second highest is 8, second lowest is 3. Okay. So that's how it is. So for that I'll print once customer println, and then let's run it. So second highest will be 8 and second lowest will be 3. Right. See? So the result. Perfect. Second highest is 8, second lowest is 3. Okay. So now let's make it unique. So for example, I'll make 8 as 9. So in this case, what will happen? Second highest will be 9 and second lowest will be 3. Okay. Let's run this. Okay, you saw it. So second highest will be 9, second lowest will be 3. Okay. Similarly, we can do, how can we do in other way? If you don't want to use arrays.sort, there is one more way we can do that. Let's use one for loop. So what we can do, for int I is equal to 0, I less than length I plus plus. Okay, so basically it will iterate through all the arrays. We need to sort that. Then let's take one more for loop. So for, let's say, int j is equal to 0, j less than, obviously it will be less than minus I minus 1, then j plus plus. Okay, it will compare. Basically in all the iteration it will compare both the numbers. So basically how exactly it will be, so if, let's write down, if error of j greater than error of j plus 1, then what you need to do, j plus 1. That means error of j is greater than error j plus 1. So let's take one temp variable here. Before that, let's say int temp. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll store, in that case we'll store error of j in temp. Okay, error j will store in temp, then error of j plus 1 will store in error of j. Okay, then what we'll do, we store error of j in temp, error of j plus 1 in error of j, then we will store temp value in error of j. Okay, so I will store temp value in error j plus 1. So what we'll do, we will put error of j plus 1 equal to temp. That's how we'll sort the array. Okay, once array got sort, then then what we'll do, similar way, like if array got sorted, then we'll print same, like second highest will be length minus error of length minus 2, and second lowest will be error of 1. Let's print this. Okay, so we'll expect second highest number will be 9, second lowest number will be 3. Okay, let's print this. Okay, got it. So that's how we can print second highest and second lowest number of an array. Okay, there is also another way we can able to print the second highest and second lowest number. Let's discuss that also. This one you understand, right? Basically there is one array, so we took the length of the array in integer. We take one more temp variable, integer temp variable. Then what we do for arranging, I mean it's for sorting, arranging in ascending order. For sorting, we use two for loops. Int I is equal to 0, I less than length, I plus plus. Int j is equal to 0, j less than minus I minus 1, j plus plus. If error of j greater than error of j plus 1, then we will store error of j in temp, error of j plus 1 in error of j, and temp value in error j plus 1. That's how the array will be sorted. Once that is got sorted, then we know that with the index position we can get the value. Like second highest will be always length minus 2, and second lowest will be always the first index, and say error of 1 in this case. So that's how we can find out the second highest and second lowest. Okay, there is one more method, one more way we can achieve this. So let's do that. So now what I will do, so basically I will create one set here. I will write down integer, set integer, let's say set is equal to new, I will write down tree set, so that it will be sorted. Tree set will be sorted always. So I will write down tree set. Okay, so let's import this. Okay, then what I will do, okay, so now I will basically iterate. So for, let's say int num arr, so I will iterate through all the values and add into the set. So I'll add into set dot add of num. So basically all the value will be added into set. So once all the value got added into the set, then what I will do, I will just convert the set into one array. That is, in set there is one function that is called toArray. So it will basically convert all the values into one array. So that what I will do, I will take one object array, and store all the values in the object array. Okay, then what I will do, okay, so obj array supports object array. Okay, so in this case what I will do, and the object array will be sorted because we use tree set. So I will, instead of error length, I will write down obj length minus 2, obj error of 1. Understood? Because obj array, object array is sorted. So from that, if I want to print second highest, so always second highest will be length minus, sorry, not here, it should not be length minus, so always it will be obj array. Okay, obj array length minus 2. Okay, that's how it is. Here also obj array of 1. Now this one I can directly get. It should be 1. Okay, let's run this. So we'll expect the second highest will be 9, second lowest will be 3. Okay, same result we should see. Okay guys, see, the second highest will be 9, the second lowest will be 3. Okay guys, so this way we can find the second highest and second lowest number from an array. So that's it for today. I will come with new topic. So till then, bye bye. Take care. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much.